Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to clean up my kitchen sink. As you can see, it's really dirty. I'm going to use this spray. It takes off all of this white marks, which is called lime scales. Because of the hard water, they stays on the steel. We got stainless steel sink. That's why it happens. That's why I have to clean my sink every day, every other day actually. I'm gonna put this spray everywhere on the sink, and after that I'm gonna leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. While that, I'm gonna put my gloves on because these sprays are really strong. They can mess your skin up, so be careful guys. You have to use this gloves, hand gloves. They are rubber gloves obviously. I'm gonna rub this properly. I got this rubber scrubber actually, scrubber. I bought this from Amazon. Very good scrubber. If I can, I will put the link in description box. You guys can check it out. As you can see, I'm cleaning it up very nicely, rubbing it hardly. Everywhere around the corners, from the sides. And it takes off the mess. Just scrubbing it properly. Sometimes I put vinegar on top of this and lemon, then I scrub it. But today I didn't have much time, so I just put the spray on, left it for 10 to 15 minutes. And by then I've done my upper beds, and this was done. At the moment I'm just scrubbing it because it was really messy. Now I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have started to wash up properly. So because of the phone, I can't do it, so I'm gonna put the phone down. So this after I cleaned up my sink with that spray. If you like it, then let me know. Thank you.